Hi guys, good afternoon. So this is a very important update in regards with our taxi driver application. So please finish this video for you to be able to learn kung ano po yung gawin natin. Let's say for instance, guys, if you can notice, I actually shared you this video. This is a notification. You can notice that there are two errors. Meaning, pag meron yan siya 1, 2, or 3, 4, or 5, kung ano yung number nag-reflect dyan, meaning that is the number of error sa mismong app natin. Ha? So, let's say for instance, so what we gonna do is i-click lang natin yan guys ha. So pag click natin, so these are the two errors. Number 1 is permit display over other apps. Number 2 is permit audio access. So meaning, ito po yung mga error natin guys. So system notification kasi dinedetect ni system kung ano po yung error mismo ng ating application. So as of now, i-click lang po natin una. Since dalawa, it's up to you kung saan yung unahin mo. So let's click this one first. So, yan po yun. You can see full orders information when the app is hidden. Permit to display it over other apps so you won't miss a worthwhile order. In this case, meron po sa baba, permit display over other apps, no? So meaning i-click po natin ito guys to correct the error. We will click that one. So pag i-click po natin yan guys para ma-allow natin siya, yan po yung mag-display over the apps. So we need to double check taxi driver. Okay, so here we go. Here is the app taxi driver. So if you can see, not allowed. So meaning i-permit po natin siya para makikita nyo po lahat ng mga order sa ating application. Upon clicking, ito po yung button na ito, allow display over other apps. I-click lang po natin siya. Okay? After clicking is i-back lang po natin siya guys. Back lang po natin ulit. Back lang po natin ulit. So meaning, kanina there are two, but as of the moment, as of now, isa na lang. So permit audio access. So yan po yung mga error sa ating application. What we gonna do next is i-click lang po natin siya. And here is the notification, enable audio access to call clients via the app. Meaning, sa ganito, pag tatawag si client, hindi po kayo matawagan ni client through the application. The good thing about if you are going to activate this one, kahit walang load si client, pwede kanyang kausapin because there in some cases, may mga areas po tayo na walang signal pero meron silang internet. So meaning, makapag-usap kayo through sa app. No? Makatawag si client sa inyo through the app. Kung wala kayong load, tapos pwede nyo sabihan si client, ma'am, can you call sa app? So pwede kayong tawagin ni client. So what we can do is i-click lang po natin itong si permit. So we need to give permission na makapag-activate po siya. So dito, since permission yung pinag-usapan, ito po, i-click natin yung permission. I-click natin sa permission. After natin maklik sa permission guys, since audio means microphone, di ba? So since audio man siya, so maon siya microphone. So i-click lang natin si microphone and dapat hindi siya as every time, kundi allow only while using the app. I-click lang natin siya dyan. Okay? After clicking allow only while using the app, so i-back lang natin siya guys. I-back lang po natin siya ulit. Back. Our service will send you important notification here. So meaning, ngayon sa system notification kanina dalawa, na-fix natin yung isa na lang. Ngayon is wala na. Because we solved all those problem na nakikita, na-detect mismo ng ating system. So as of now, wala na, solved na lahat. And let's try to find out. So dito wala na po siya, di ba? So every time po guys na may mag-pop up na message that is very important, we need to give time for it. Especially this one for the chat. Okay, sir. Dito, sir, ha. Especially this one for the chat, meron po siyang number 8. Okay? Naka number 8 siya. So, since may number 8 siya, sir, meaning there are 8 announcement na hindi mo pa siya nabasa. So, that information are very important to us. Ang gawin lang po natin, sir, is i-click natin yung announcement. There are too many, napakaraming announcement, pero ang pinaka-importante dito, sir, is ito siya. Ito. Ang announcement na ito is beware of scammers, mag-ingat sa mga scammer. So we will just click that one. So basahin natin siya sa Tagalog. Kung hihilingin sa iyo ng kliyente na mag-online transfer o mag-top up ng balance sa pamamagitan ng PayMaya o GCash, gayon din sa 7-Eleven stores pamamagitan ng barcode o reference number, huwag pumayag, posible kang ma-scam. Walang pananagutan ang Maxim service para sa mga aksyon ng mga kliyente, kaya maging maingat kapag nagsasagawa ng mga delivery order. Possible kang makatanggap ng tawag mula sa isang tao na nagpakilalang empleyado namin o nagpanggap na mula sa anumang kilalang service or organisasyon. Scammer ang mga ito, hindi kailanman hilingin sa iyo ng mga empleyado ng service na mag-transfer ng pera o magbayad ng anumang bill online. Okay? So that is very important announcement. Marami pa pong iba. So always remember na meron po tayong mga important notification na bawal po ang mga iyan. Okay?
Pabayad sa sige sir.
So guys, that's it for now. So thank you so much for tuning up our Facebook update, and I hope we will be able to get lesson from this. Thank you guys and good afternoon po. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.